Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use DALL-E in Canva. And here's how it's done. 1. Open Canva. 2. Create a new design. Click on Create a Design and choose your preferred design type. Example, Instagram post, presentation. 3. Use DALL-E to generate images. On the left sidebar, click on the Apps button. Scroll down or search for DALL-E in the Apps section. Click on the DALL-E app to open Image Generation Tool. 4. Generate your image. Once in DALL-E, you will see a text prompt box. Enter a description of the image you want to generate. Example, a futuristic city with flying cars. Click Generate to let DALL-E create the image based on your description. 5. Add the image to your design. After DALL-E generates your image, you can click on it to add it directly to your Canva design. You can then resize, reposition, and customize the image just like any other element in your design. 6. Finalize your design. Continue working on your design by adding text, elements, or animations to your AI-generated image. Once satisfied, click Download to export your design or share it directly from Canva. That's everything you need to know about how to use DALL-E in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.